In 3D graphics, a material is a comprehensive building block that defines the surface properties and behavior of an object. A material encompasses not only color and texture, but also various components such as light, environmental effects, positional data, and physical behaviors. For this reason, a material provides full control over both the visual appearance and physical properties of a model. There are many different types of materials used in material creation. You need to design these materials according to the art style of your project. In our lessons, we will mainly focus on PBR or physically based rendering. However, let's take a look at some of the other commonly used types of materials. Materials can generally be divided into two categories: lit and unlit. Lit materials are influenced by the light sources in the scene and appear differently based on how the light interacts with the surface. Factors like lighting, shadow, and reflection are considered. Some common types include PBR, physically based rendering. Light is calculated accurately based on physical surface properties. Uses either the metallic roughness or specular glossiness workflow. Blim Fong or Fong. An older but fast lightning model. Performs calculation for specular and diffuse reflections. Anisotropic. Used for materials where reflections are directional. Preferred for surfaces like hair and brushed metal. Subsurface scattering or SSS. Simulates light entering a surface and scattering beneath it before exiting. Ideal for skin and wax materials. Clear coat or double layer shader. Features an additional reflective surface layer on top. Suitable for polished or varnished surfaces. Gloss or refractive. Includes transparency and refraction effects. Used for surfaces like glass and water. Tone shading or cell shading. Provides a stylized look with sharp shadows and distinct light transitions. Commonly used in cartoon and anime style projects. These materials are not affected by the light source in the scene, and the surface has a completely static appearance. Since no light calculations are performed, they are more performance-friendly and faster. They are often preferred for stylized or simplified graphics. Types of unlit materials: unlit or emissive shader. Independent of light sources and appears with a fixed colors of texture. If an emissive property is added, the surface looks as if it's emitting light. Matte cap or material capture. Doesn't include any light calculations. Instead, a static image is mapped onto the surface. Commonly used for model previews and quick sculpting workflows. Posterization shader. Uses limited color tones and creates sharp transitions. Ideal for retro or poster style visuals. Flat shader. Displays a completely solid color with no light or shadow calculations. Frequently used in low poly and stylized projects. Hatching shader. Simulates light and shadow using line patterns on the surface, without actual light calculations. Perfect for creating a hand-drawn sketch light effect. You can view the discussed materials in the table format below. Categories by category, material type, and description. This can serve as a helpful reminder for your future projects. If you'd like, you can add notes here or simply take a screenshot to save it locally on your computer.